Well, it looks like this thing's working. Hey everybody, I got a quick one tonight, as I intend to keep this pretty short. I'm going to be doing this vlog style. Seems to be the easiest way to keep my family and friends updated on my current health situation. Hope you all excuse the video and the sound quality. I'm on an old laptop. And please, I'm not looking for sympathy here. It's just one of the ways I can thank everyone all at once. So if you bear with me, if I'm not looking directly in the camera, I've written some notes here to stay somewhat on track. My medications are keeping me a bit foggy. So some of you may have known I've not been feeling the best for the past 6 months or so. And as a result, I've been in the hospital for the last week. So here it is in a nutshell. On October the 15th, I had a heart attack and was taken to the hospital. The next day, it was determined I needed to have a heart cath to see how bad things looked. So on October the 16th, they did the heart cath to check for blockage. After that, the doctors come out and told my wife I had a 99% blockage, and that for all practical purposes, I should have been dead a long time ago. So the next day on 10/16, I had a quadruple bypass surgery. So that's where I've been all week. I just got home a bit ago. I'm alive, and I'm vertical. Just want to let everybody know all the emails, text messages, phone calls, the prayers, especially the prayers, have really helped us through this ordeal. And myself and my wife want to say thank you to everyone. This has been an overwhelming ordeal I've put her through. So to everyone who reached out to her, she really needed the support that y'all have provided. I've got a long road to recovery ahead, but I'm going to be all right. And I'll see you sooner than later. So that's the update for now. And I probably won't do another one of these, because there's no point beating a dead horse, you know what I mean? So I'll see y'all sooner than later.